welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to get these to work. So when you press plus or minus they do something. Now the first thing I've noticed is I can get rid of some stuff. For this, I can get rid of that. So when we start the thing, it gets that, and it just folds them on the board. I think one sec, the ball just disappeared. Okay, back it comes. Now them buttons are controlled in this. So far what it's doing is it was console login. So as you can see, we press on there and it tells us what it is. So what I'm going to do now, I want to pass this information up to the parent. So I'm going to take off this, so I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to imagine dot imagine I've got something called handler, but I haven't got that yet. In fact, I might have it already because I've been messing around with something. But anyway, this handler, and we're going to pass the item in it. Okay. Now, because we have put this class in one place, we only have to look in one place for the handler, and that is in here. Okay. And this is it. So what I can do is I can put the handler in here. And this handler is going to be a function. This dot underscore I'm giving them better names now. Dot bind this. Now that doesn't exist. Handler equals this, so that means it's going to error hurt. But I'm going to build it now. I'm going to build it under here. Let's just copy that in. As soon as I copy that in, it should start working again. Now, first thing I'm going to do is test that it's working. If I'm going to paste that, oops. As soon as it's confirmed to working, I'll carry on. Yep, that's passing it through. So what are we going to do with it? First thing we're going to do is split it up. And put two of these in. So we're going to split it by that. So we're going to get two items. We're going to get a string part. That split, just split it up into an array. Should be items note. So we need them in lowercase. And we need this one to be a number. And then we may store this in local storage. So because of that, I'm going to take an extra step, which I don't have to do, but I'm going to do it. Now look at this syntax. str. I want the object to be dynamic. So you can do it by doing that. Okay, so let's console log that. I'll take this one out and see what happens. The items equals e.split. Alright, that work should work. Let string equals items 1 to lowercase. I'm trying to see why this isn't working. Okay, that should be number and not numbers. Okay, can you see what it's doing? So that's giving me an object with a width of 8. That's got me an object with a height of 7. And that's a okay, so do you see what it's doing? This is dynamic, so this str, if I put console log up here, okay. So how this works is what comes through here is it's width and that. So what I do is that split command splits it into width and 1, and then it turns the width to lowercase, it turns the number to a number, then this is dynamic. So that creates the object because I need the object because of what it is. I want to set the state. This dot set. So this will persist it. I need to pass an object in here, so I just pass in param, and then because I've done that, you'll see that when I start moving them, it seems to be an error somewhere. Let me just test it. Okay, I missed something out, which is, in fact, I don't need them. I just put the wrong packets. Okay, so now, can you see? In one shot, I've wired all three of them up together. Okay. So of course, when you're doing code like this, you have to be careful because somebody will change one of these names and they might put, I don't know, they might decide that this is a length instead of a height, and that will break it. However, because I'm the only one coding this, I can do things like this. But if I was doing a big code base, I'd put a note saying, do not change these names, and I'll put, if you're going to change, or I could put here a comment, if you're going to change this name, be careful, because it will break this line. That's the kind of things I would do if I was doing big code bases. But it's good to be aware of the trouble you can cause. Now, the reason I put this in a program instead of putting it straight in here is because I might want to send that somewhere else. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to make another function for the local storage, because the local storage only takes a string. So what I'd have to do is I want something in the local storage that's going to be like this. It's going to be an object with, what does it need? It's going to need a width, etc., etc. Alright, but what it is, it only takes a string. So what I'll have to do is, for me to save something, I'll have to do a function. I have to take it out of storage, convert it to an object, add this new object to the object, turn it back to a string, then save it. Okay, that's what I'll have to do to save something. So eventually I will have a function that will save this to the local storage. Every time it saves it here, it would also save it to the local storage. So that if I set it to something that I like for instance 50 and hundreds and whatever else, and I go away, then it won't go, it'll always come back. Because all I have to do is, when the game starts, I can set it to check for local storage and set these values based on local storage. Okay, thanks for watching this video. At the moment, I think these aren't wired up, but these are gonna call methods. As soon as I press that, it's gonna call a method. So I've got to call a method, and same with that. So all the code should be wired up. I mean, all the GUI stuff should be wired up. So all I have to do now is do the code to do it. I'll continue that on the next video. Until next time, bye.